Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Theta Fuel. Theta Fuel is up on a weekly time frame and on a monthly time frame. We're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market. The altcoin market has been having a huge bounce. How high can Theta Fuel go before the end of the year? Where at key levels do we expect to find resistance as we try to attempt to pump to new highs? We'll be taking a look at the Theta Fuel US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also look at Theta Fuel's performance against Bitcoin. We'll finally look at Theta Fuel's market cap. Can we rally towards the $1 billion level before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Huge pumps in the altcoin market. The last few days have seen the altcoin market giving us big green bubbles to the upside. And guys, we might be getting that long-awaited alt season. Right now we're in Bitcoin season, but right now is the best time to get into those altcoins. We're starting to see some altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. If you take a look at what the altcoin market is doing on a monthly time frame, a lot of altcoins are starting to have double-digit gains. I will not be shocked to see those altcoins starting to have triple-digit gains in the coming days and the coming weeks. Now, Theta Fuel has not stayed having those huge pumps to the upside, even though it's up 5.4% on a weekly time frame and it's up 5.2% on the monthly time frame. If we take a look at Theta Fuel's performance against the US dollar, we had huge pumps in the bull market. We saw Theta Fuel pumping to new all-time highs, rallying up by more than 630,000%. Crazy things can happen in the altcoin market. $1,000 invested in Theta Fuel would have given you over $630,000, guys. That's how crazy altcoins can pump. But with crazy pumps to the upside, also comes some huge dumps to Goblin Town. And guess what Theta Fuel has been doing since 2021? Having a huge dump to Goblin Town, losing around 95% of its value. But we are almost at Altseason, guys. The bear market can be very long. The bear market can be very brutal. Deep in Goblin Town, the bear market, I've always said, this is where you want to do your accumulation. Right now, we are leaving that bear market phase. Right now, we're getting to where we'll see altcoins having a huge pump to the upside. And over the next 90 days, if we see those altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, will officially be in altcoin season. If you take a look at the Theta Fuel US dollar price chart, there are some key levels you want to pay attention to as we start this rally to the upside. The $0.0774 level is going to be one key level to watch out for. Theta Fuel has not been able to trade above that price level since 2022. And from where we're currently trading right now, for us to rally past that $0.0774 level, we'll have to pump by more than 124% to the upside. If we continue pumping to the upside, guys, I want to pay attention to what TFUEL is going to be doing when we get to that $0.177 level. That's around 400% from where we're currently trading. And you know how volatile TFUEL can be, so we'll be expecting some huge volatility to the upside if we see Bitcoin continue cracking above $30,000, maybe even getting to as high as higher than $40,000. TFUEL might even surprise all of us and get to as high as $0.34. From where we're currently trading, that will see it going up by more than 850%. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think TFUEL can go that high before the end of the year? If we get that long-awaited altcoin season, that long-awaited altcoin month, and if it all happens at the same time that we're getting an altcoin year, do you think TFUEL can go that high? Let's take a look at TFUEL's performance against Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the king of the market, usually sees altcoins performing better than it anytime the market is bullish. But guys, anytime the market gets bearish, you see Bitcoin going back, performing better than those altcoins. We've seen TFUEL have crazy pumps against Bitcoin. We saw it rally up by more than 9,200% against Bitcoin. And all these pumps, guys, happen in just 217 days. So crazy things can happen. Those crazy things can happen very quickly. And when those crazy things start happening, you don't want to be left behind. I'll not be shocked to see TFUEL having one of those crazy moments where we see it rallying up to the moon against Bitcoin, maybe having 1,000% pump to the upside. Now guys, if Altseason happens, as we're assuming it will happen, if Altseason comes, you also want to be paying attention to another critical chart, that is TFUEL's market cap chart. We have seen TFUEL's market cap get to as high as $3.4 billion at the height of the bull market. But in this bear market, we saw TFUEL's market cap drop to as low as $184 million. So if we see it rallying to higher prices, we expect it to find some resistance along the way. One of those key levels where we might see it find resistance will come around that $1 billion level. That $1 billion level might prove very, very difficult for us to clear before the end of the year. Best case scenario, guys, I see TFUEL's market cap getting stuck below $2 billion. If we tap $2 billion, that will be good for us. Take a look at some key details about TFUEL's market. About TFUEL, TFUEL has a market cap of $219 million with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.4 million. Circulating supply for Theta Fuel sits at 6.3 billion plus tokens. Fully diluted market cap for Theta Fuel is around $219 million. The all-time low for TFUEL around $0.034. The all-time high in the last 24 hours has been $0.0349. So there's not a lot of volatility, but the all-time high for the coin was 2 years ago. We saw it peak around the 9th of June 2021 when it was trading around $0.68. We're down 94.9% from that level. The all-time low happened during the COVID sell-off in March of 2020, and we are 3,800% above that level. Why are people buying TFUEL? TFUEL is one of the two native tokens of the Theta blockchain. TFUEL should not be mistaken for Theta Token, which is the governance token of the Theta blockchain, supported by thousands of community-run Guardian nodes, and its enterprise validators include Google, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gumi, and Samsung. TFUEL is the second token on the Theta blockchain that serves as a utility token in decentralized video and data delivery. It also acts as gas token. This means it can be used to power operations on the Theta blockchain, like payment relay, for sharing a video, for stream, for deploying and interacting with smart contracts, and as fees associated with interacting NFTs and DeFi applications. So where can you get some TFUEL if you want to get some? You can get some TFUEL on Binance, on BitTub, on Qcoin, on Gate.io, on Crypto.com exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. How high do you see this altcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think we can pop to new all-time highs by the end of the year? If you're a bear and you think we're dumping to Goblin Town and we're not going to see Altseason, I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. How low do you think TFUEL will go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.